triple tectonic division of India. The triple tectonic division of India. You can divide India into three broad physiographic regions, which is the Peninsular Plateau. This is the oldest and has the hardest, the most resistant rocks. The Peninsular Plateau. Number two is Himalayas and Northern mountains. Okay. And the third is the Northern plains. These are younger than the Pleistocene times. And these are mostly tertiary mountains. This we call as the triple tectonic division of India. You divide India into three broad physiographic regions. The Peninsular Plateau, ये oldest है. It has the hardest and the most resistant rocks. Much of peninsula is mostly Precambrian. It is mostly Precambrian. Himalayas, these are mostly tertiary mountains. They are mostly the tertiary mountains. And the northern plains, these are the youngest. They are the youngest, younger than the Pleistocene times. The northern plains are younger than 1.5 to 2 million years. 1.5 to 2 million years. The beginnings of Himalayas, this was approximately around 63 million years. Say beginning hua Himalayas. And peninsula is older than the Phanerozoic. The plateau is Precambrian, older than 540 million years or 550 million years. Deccan lava was in the late Cretaceous. It was in the late Cretaceous. Aravalis are part of Peninsular Plateau. No, they're not part of Northern Plains. Northern mountains alag hai. Northern mountains are Karakoram Mountains, Ladakh Mountains, Zaskar Mountains, Purvanchal Hills. Aravali is part of Peninsular Plateau. So quickly, whatever way you can draw, please draw. So something like this and this. Okay, so this is the Peninsular Plateau. This is the northern plains of India. And this is the Himalayas and the northern mountains. Okay. Okay, this is the Peninsular Plateau. This is the northern plains. And this is the northern mountains and Himalayas. The triple tectonic division.